Hi, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I have this beautiful rainforest behind me. You can hear the beautiful birds I enjoy, and also behind me are tall mountains, and then there's an inlet as well because I live on an island in Alaska. This is a place that you cannot drive to. You have to fly or take a boat. We are off the road system, of course, and it's very unique and fun. I really enjoy living here, and I also have 7 grandkids. Such a blessing. And I remember when my kids were little, I wanted to be home and take care of them and raise them. And so I started a home-based business because that's what I wanted, and I went after it. And I've been doing it ever since, and now I have 7 grandkids. So I have been very blessed. I'm very thankful for that, and I want to share with you something incredible. Now, our secret Facebook traffic hack has 5 really incredible bonus that come with it because it's so amazing. Training is so incredible what happens with this method that's so much better than doing Facebook ads. Absolutely simple. I love all that. Okay, so number 1 is you're going to have people chasing you. It is set up in such a way that people chase you. You don't have to try and be crazy about trying to get people. They chase you. And the second thing is your Facebook likes will go up. Now that's important, right? Very important. And the third thing, there's our bird. The third thing is sales will happen. And that's, that's what you're doing everything for. You want to be able to have a business that pays you. So sales will happen with this. And you also will have a target audience because of the way we do it. And that is vital. It is vital to have a target audience because you need people that like what you're doing and want that. Well, what do you got? So target audience, all right, check. And then simple to do. Now, who could beat any of that? Now, what I want to do next is I want to go into my Facebook account and show you personally the likes that I've been getting on my posts so you can understand and see for yourself that it works incredibly well. So let's do that. Look, and I want to show you this post here. It's got 446 likes, 230 comments. The next one's 684, 389 comments, 34 shares, 434 reactions, 176 comments, 152, 526 reactions and comments, 793 reactions, 392 comments. So as you can see, the numbers are really good. And so you can see all the likes I have, all the traffic, all the action that's going on in my posts. Really incredible, right? Next, I'm actually going to show you my sales as well, so you can see it works very well. And so stay tuned for that. Thanks. All right, we're in my back office in my financial page here, and you can see I have $2,500 in there. The $350 that is missing was before we had this up for our business. I got $350 from Zelle, so that brings me to $2,850. So that is, and this is, there's my name. You can see my name there. This is my back office and my finances. So thanks for watching my proof here, and go to my link below in my description and get access to what we offer and how it's going to change everything for you. And thanks for watching. Bye from Alaska.